Students, today I am going to discuss the topic temperature. So let us understand what is temperature, which instrument we use to measure the temperature, and which are the units of temperature. The measure of hotness or a coldness of body, object or substance is called as temperature. Thermometer is an instrument which we use to measure the temperature. Two scales are commonly used for measuring temperature. The one is Celsius scale and the other is Fahrenheit scale. It means the units we generally use for measuring the temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Children, here you can see one thermometer on which freezing point of water and boiling point of water is shown. Freezing point of water is always 0 degree Celsius, which is same as 32 degree Fahrenheit. And boiling point of water is always 100 degree Celsius, which is same as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now let's see how to measure the body temperature. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. Normal body temperature of a healthy person is always 37 degrees Celsius. Now measuring atmospheric temperature. Atmospheric temperature can vary over a certain range due to the different weather conditions. Here you can see one table in which temperature condition and corresponding weather of it is given to you. You can see the first one. When the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, that weather will be very cold. When temperature ranges from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, the weather is cold. When temperature goes from 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, the weather is cool. When temperature is from 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, the weather is mild. When temperature condition is from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, the weather is warm. 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, the weather is hot. Children, here you can see the temperature condition goes on increasing, right? And as the temperature goes on increasing, the weather will be warmer and warmer, right? When temperature ranges from 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, the weather is very hot. And above 40 degrees Celsius, the weather is extremely hot. Based on this table, we have a checkpoint in the textbook on page number 202. State the kind of weather you will get when the temperature is. In this checkpoint, some temperature conditions are given to you and you are asked to write down the state of weather. See the first one. The temperature is 45 degrees Celsius. Then what will be the state of weather at 45 degrees Celsius? Children, just now we have seen above 40 degrees Celsius, the weather is extremely hot. 45 is above 40, right? It means at 45 degrees Celsius, the weather is extremely hot. What will be the weather at 5 degrees Celsius? When temperature condition ranges from 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, the weather is cold. 5 degrees Celsius comes in exactly between 0 and 10 degrees Celsius, right? Hence at 5 degrees Celsius, the weather is cold. What will be the state of weather below 0 degrees Celsius? Below 0 degrees Celsius, the weather is very cold. At 21 degrees Celsius, the weather is mild. At 36 degrees Celsius, what will be the state of weather? You can check the table. When temperature condition ranges from 30 to 35, the weather is hot. And when temperature condition ranges from 35 to 40, the weather is very hot. So 36 comes after 35, right? So at 36, the weather is very hot. At 50 degrees Celsius and 43 degrees Celsius, the weather is extremely hot because the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius. And above 40 degrees Celsius, whatever the temperature you have, it will be extremely hot. And the last one, when the temperature condition is 27 degrees Celsius, what will be the state of weather? You can see the table. When temperature condition ranges from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, the state of weather is warm. So at 27 degrees Celsius, the state of weather will be warm.